Hello, everyone. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm excited once again to have you guys on my channel. And for those of you who are joining this channel for the first time, this is Creative Entrepreneur Channel, where we share information about how you can make money online. And if you're looking for information about freelancing, then I'm going to share with you how you can get freelance jobs from all around the world, all right? So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can receive money internationally from business clients. That means once you are a freelancer in Africa, you want to receive money from international clients. So this video is going to show you how you can register and get an international bank account. All right, so you can receive money in euros, in pounds, and in dollars. So let me show you how you can get started. So the name of the app is called Cleva. As you can see, it's Cleva is a payment system that helps you to receive money from foreign accounts. So that's why you need Cleva. So if you're in Nigeria and you are a freelancer, you might be having difficulty to receive money internationally. Then with Cleva, you have opportunity to receive money from your international clients. All right, so how do you get started? You come over to create account. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to show you how you can create yours successfully. So let's just make this John, then let's make this DOE, then your country of residence, Nigeria. So we're going to input your email address. So just like I said, this is just a sample video, so just follow how you can do that on your own. So input your phone number, then you can now create a password. So just like I said, so we don't have a referral code. So after you're done with that, you check this in and you check the other one in, then you can now click on continue. So we're going to receive an email in order to verify our account. So this is it. We'll now verify our account. Yes, verified successfully. So we'll go back to the app and we can now log in. So I'm going to input the email address. All right, at gmail.com. So let me input the password. So let me log in. So you have to create a 4-digit PIN. It's very important. So after you're done, you click on create. So once you're done with that, the final step is to before then you are going to they want to know how you knew about Cleva. So you're just going to select any of these. So let's just select Google and move. So the final step is to identify needs to be verified, which is you have to verify your KYC. So you click on this. So what are the things you need to verify in this 3-step? You need to provide your personal information, your date of birth, and your bank verification number. You need to verify your identity. You need to have either you have a voter's card, international passport and driver's license, or an NIN number. All right. Then the last step is you need to take a selfie of yourself. So let me just show you. So I already registered. So this is how you're going to do it. Your first name, your middle name, you enter your last name, your date of birth, your nationality, your country. Then after that, you click on continue. So input those information, follow those 3 steps, and you are good to go. So just like I said, I already have an account, so I can't show you, I can't verify this is just a sample video. So just follow the steps and you are good to go. So after that, once they verify your account, you will now come back to the platform and apply for an international bank account. So they are going to give you an account number, which is a US based account number. So once your clients asks for a payment system, you can send your the bank account that is given to you on this website to them, and you can receive your money. And once you receive your money on this website, you can now convert it to your currency, your preferred currency. It can be Naira. Then you can now receive your money. So that is how you can create a Cleva account. So if you have any question regarding this video, kindly go to the comment section and ask any questions regarding this platform. All right. Then if you got value from this video, kindly give this video a like, and if you're here to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button so that you can have access to informations like this. Thank you for staying through to the end. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Goodbye.